So in this part we are talking about functions, that how to declare function in Python and how to return the values. So basically if you want to declare a function, then you have to write def, and in this means here def, and then name of function, and here semicolon. Then here you have to return the values if you want to return, then if you don't want to return, then don't return the values. So now using this definition we can write a function like that, def func, and print the value. And then if you want to call this function, then simply write like this and execute this. So you got the functions value. This is the first thing, that how to create the function. So now if you want to return a value in function, then what you have to do, simply def fun and return some value here. And now if you want to know what is the value, then simply write like this, then this value. So like that you can return the value in Python. You don't have to write here something, because this is the format of the writing function in the Python. So now if you want to return two or more than two values, then what you can do here, you simply write a function, and you can write simply like this, return 1 comma 2. I think it is working. If it is not working, then there is another way. Let's Okay, so it is working. And what is this? I told, what is this? This is a tuple. So like that you can return two or more than two values. So now if you want to give some values in the function, then what you have to do, simply declare function like that. If you want to give a and b and you want to add both, then return a plus b. Now what you have to do, fun. Now you want to add one or two, so simply what you have to do, yeah, you can write like this. And yeah, so this is the output. And if you write this code in the Sublime Text, then what you have to do, simply you have to write here like this, print. Okay, because this is important to write in the Sublime Text. So now if you want to inherit two functions, you can uh, you can do one more thing, and you can also nest to loop. Nested means you can write another function in the first function, like that. Fun, 1 minute, this is very important thing. Fun, here you write a, and here you have one more function, what is the name, fun1, and here you give the value, yeah. And if you want to return this thing, then you can write like this, a. So that means and in Python 3 you can also write the semicolon, and there is no error, because in Python 3 it is allowed. So now you can run it. And if you want to call this function, then what you have to do, you have to first of all have to call the first function. So like that, if a is equal to, sorry, if b is equal to fun of 10, now you want to return the value. So what you have to do, simply print a, sorry, b of, simply b, yeah. So like that you can call this function. I think it is working. If it is not working, then we have to do another thing. Yeah, none type object is not iterable. Okay, so what is the error here? So now what you have to do here, oh yeah, I forgot to write here return and name of the function, fun1, and now run this thing. Yeah, now it is working. So if you want to give two argument here like this, and if you want to multiply both, Then what you can do here, you also have to give some integer like the 3. So now run this function. Okay, so now what is the error here? Simply a return a multiply b fun of a. I think here also we have to write this. Okay, there is some error, one argument missing. Okay, what is the argument? If we write here b, then it will also execute some error. So think about it, why it is showing this error. Okay, here we also give some, yeah. Okay, yeah, there is some error because we here also write the bina, that's why it will execute some error. So like that you can do this thing simply. Yeah, here we have to here write here simply X. So now we can do one more thing. Yeah, if you declare fun of a, and if we write here a is equal to 3, and if you write here second function nothing but, yeah, fun 1. Okay, and you write here a is equal to 6 and print a, and here return fun 1, and you also print a. So now execute this function. So what you have to do, we have to do simply here call this function. So what do you think, what is the output of this thing? Is that 6 or 3? Let's see. So this is 3 because in the inner function we only can use this variable, we can't change this variable. This is the property of the nested functions. So if you want to execute the inner function also, then what you can have to do here, x is equal to fun of this, and uh, uh, yeah, okay. So how to call the second function? I think it will also working. Okay, x is equal to 3. Now if you want to call the inner function also, then I think we have to here write print of x. Okay, there is some error. mm, okay, sorry, we have to say 1 minute, wait for 1 minute. Yeah, so you can do one thing here, that call this function here, don't return it, call this function. So like this we can do these things. So now yeah, and one more thing, that we can't call this function without calling this function. If you call this function, then it will execute some error. So this is all about functions in Python. In the next video I am going to show you that how to use recursion and what is the lambda function in Python. So thank you for this video.